Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Navarin of Lamb. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So let's get into this. We take a heavy base saucepan on our cooker top, we spray it with some oil and we put it onto a medium heat. To that then we add our diced lamb. Season it with some salt and pepper and cook it until the lamb is browned all over. Now, as always folks, the recipe for this and how to make it are both in the description box below. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more other videos for you. So now that our meat is browned, we're just going to remove it from the pot. Now we're going to empty all the fat out of the pan, give it a spray with some oil, and to that then we're going to add some diced onion. Tomato puree. Some crushed garlic. And some chopped tinned tomatoes. Some lamb or chicken stock, homemade is best, but just use a stock cube if you don't have it. A pinch of cayenne pepper, a bay leaf, some chopped rosemary, and some chopped thyme. Pop the lid on and simmer for about 15 minutes. Now we'll just take this, give it a stir around, and then to that we're going to add our vegetables. So we have some carrots, just cut into chunks, 2 turnips cut into large chunks as well. Pop the lid on and cook that for about 10 minutes. Now to this then we're going to add our cooked lamb again. Pop it in, just give it a quick stir around. Pop the lid back on and then we'll let it cook for about an hour. Now folks, after an hour you can see that the sauce is thickened. We're just going to check the vegetables just to make sure that they're cooked and that the lamb is tender. Everything here is fully cooked, so it's now ready to serve. The Navarin of Lamb is a thick dish, so you don't need to serve any vegetables or potatoes with it. It's just like a stew. So folks, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.